Pension Samano Penso or the Abrea, the Adu Sono, a Adom TV, Badwam Cassia, near to your Mubi, Ubeti, and Assemblyman and addition, and Anonymous Soka Hubi, a Nadia, one must say a Chamaun to me, a Quana, or Shasiana, Waja to one bra. Beye fama won ye de no nsam no ebebro na fei yakọ nanam so de na desre ato edwa kire mu se nei wonu mo ehunu eye waterfalls bi wo mpatamu ho panifo hu so aso wo yi wo mani afiri ho wo maye bibi pa bi mfiri ho na mfaso emra so no ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro sa Adom TV Badwam Kase me dem live on Facebook/Adom TV Go TV channel no ye 119 DSTV channel no eye 280 medin afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT nsam no nchiremu ankasa panifo ne adehia wodi aso wasa mampon enene wodi to mampani adodankwa akufo ado anim se contractor eye chama wuntumi won sound kaneti kono omra ekwan no a wo so mu no a wajade ato ho no ene kromafo no ahwe ampanifo ma meto aso ti wo mu angasa hyase so wo mu ye bibi wo ho no na Adom Kase pini ho a wo mu de sansemi etudwa
ana esi na Adom ni mpanyifo so koko board ti ebesa ona abobo ahedu ahaya ni area say omoye say the ebesa na okaya koko road ho no omoye ewon so mo ba so mo ba be omo ja kwesi ndie asa odi obi etwa nsuo na adina kodu vivi no waja no afiko na mo say atwadifo ani adomafo binum so omo nam sa akwan so ye no omo so ni nkomo
say awo kan na fa kwa we so obedu wo a obabewu obetumi abasa obakora no wo no obetumi ewu ebi say wuduru sa bia na eni kwasa ka wururu wo ebi kura enya ka moto so na wote enti ubedu no na oba na ewu oba enwu a wo no obabewu
ufidi aso eba asensu ene akatreka ene wasama mpokwan no edie no kura de ba akopekwan ne de enye ntie sra ban ne say wonye yemoa na omeye kwan no maye na apemfo ne abata ne school fo nkwele ya wumgu kai no mu huna mane yi pa
nananum akrodua mu nso ewa ha ye nananum so ni komo ne bisa nananum say anama ban e na omo so etuo
oman no anankuro na ewo ha area na se yakope machine haya ye de ye anya sa ye bekem ti me stretch ma wuntimi ene nanakufo ado se ema ekwom ne nipa no mane yafunu nya ne ya ansa na akire wa manaduane
Mayento Akasia no so na nana ya wowo Sahwi Bonzan wo dwaboso mensimu wo Western North Mantemu ye nana ofori ahenka otosumienu wode adesre na to aban no anim se wo mpotemu ho no wahunu waterfall bi wo ho no mu a faso wo so pa ntimpanifo mra mesiesie honye hoyie na na meno so amasrafo aba ho ade sika abrekro no ene oman nana ne Adom TV edi nkomoyi
ma bobe ye wache you ngobo so waterfalls no ngobo enwo wai chama be biala ongo ye juma biala boye okosachi so waterfalls na ya ko chat wo ya aya ho entina na mo be wa wenu wanya wan be misra ho ama bokaye ma ye develop so waterfalls na se ye develop no ye ya ediepa ne mo bobo ye wo ju weekenda emoko wa e bo ju na de se de bo fact bo yu ne je yele waterfalls bi bobiti ya de stofai zawa na isini raw state boye ya bra ti ya ko semo ko be offices ne mo na emo de egu mo boye be wo Ministry of Tourism emone be jujua emama be so wote cheyele so ajapade no
enra de don hwe be se mienu ene kakra de na kane MPP amanyoko dwam tenani ya wono anso eye namon dana ya wotoso emienu eti adwam den parliamentary ad hoc committee no anim efa ani bi eba monten a esiso se nipa bi bo poso meyi IGP de free ho ntie wieye no na se bugri na bo waje atum sasa ene recording no wono na ye de koso ho Adom Kase ediba.
What are your conversations with people who call you?
No, Mr. Chairman.
So what led to the recording of this particular conversation?
Mr. Chairman, the reason was behind it was that, look, they are coming to tell me to go and meet them, tell the president issues. they are saying. Either I don't go to tell the president, and then me and my party suffer for it. I cannot keep everything they were talking to me at that point. It was very, very good to record them so that.
Ora bugi nabu ede nsem atudwa na wodi tumu no ni nyinechi no ye ne dwomtenani edema eye committee no yera Samuel Atachia ayetwe nkomo ono nso sei enoka no
enkomo no nkofo ni di no aha na ne nti otepu ni so person de koma president ye den president tie na ne president be no de aye ti asem de tietia also no kasa otepu no so onwo no kasa so obobo nyina di nti Thursday no nyame hwe mamba be from beti obia a ne wo tape no so ansa na ye evaluation of evidence no
enipa be dunum de won mo eprepra ewotuo ya ekasa ye emu ama abambofo nso ade nso ka ho ebi ni nyina ne se kromafo ne bambofo wo Tamale District Court honomo wo Northern Region de ne se wani se okache de akofa ba ya Adom kase etwaso
Omanfo bi a womo Tamale echi nipa bi a womo susu se sa nipa no edi enubone ho edwa sa nipa a womo echi ni na nke wo se okopie mu e wo Tamale Circuit Court omanfo wo mpatem ho no edi sumbo abo aposifo se womo etasa omanfo a womo di enubone ho edwa e wo mpatem ho no echi na mabunu yi ekopie mu e wo court wa na omo twense nipa yi ebeba bepie mu e wo ho no womo ni aposifo e wo ho no edi kosie ni amenam so ama nipa ebro 15 kra epraye mamefo ni aposifo bi kura nso epraye enipa bi a womudi wonani ehu de ekoso no ene Adom news nsentwofo twetwe ho nkomo no nsem sei na omudi tudwa.
We know there's a businessman who is alleged to be involved in this trade and is in court with the tax force. And this morning, we know before even the case was heard, there were tensions and a number, over 10 people have been injured. We understand a woman was shot in the breast, and with a number of people, I mean men are currently receiving treatment at the Tamale Teaching Hospital. It is even alleged that the said woman has passed on, but we can't confirm that.
Adom TV Badwam kase na oshano na kasamafo de ma presidential na MPP presidential elections committee no Alexander Kwame na Fenyo Markins na ene wode ato aspirant ni nyina anim obi a wonwinwi haha wasem bi ehye no ho eso wo mo okwan a party no bibi ekire obi adwuran wo de fa so wo mfamfa ho na yie ntoyi Adom kase edeba
ye ntum nka de ye mpanyinfo a yetifie ye hu de BBAC nanso onfa ye ho ofa ye ho ne de minti ye tonsa zafre wona worka wo mframem de nzama kra na bibi ankoye na was wasam abotugwa na yete ho
Ora Fenyo Markin enam sa akwanya so de adesrede eto wonuma wo pre di bre enya manyeko na chitafo nyina se ohwe kwampa ya obefa so a so wanti bibi ase a wodo wonsem ebefa na Badwam MPP amanyeko no enimu abenyam
anamon biara ode yetu na oza asomdwe ban inyan as committee yebotu na mom ye kakai party members so there party mbrano obeye adwuma ma obi biara emfa party nambra inshana nisem yen nyinara yenanyim nyama ni yenizina yekita
so afọ abedi akire ye wo hwa nwumasua so ye owura John Ntimfojo na wose aban na sinkete ne tichio ne ministry no se wo mo beye na aban schools ahodo no de ebegina ne naso abrane se beye awofo no akono na wode won manum ebewura mu sen eye private ones no baby okan ye Adom TV kase edeba.
The significant transformation that we have seen in this school over the past 4 years. Students have done their part, parents have done their part, teachers, and all these thanks to the collaboration we have with Right to Play, who, with the support of Lego Foundation, have ensured that we introduce very relevant methodologies in the way that we teach our children. Children learn through play. Children learn when they are engaged and involved in the learning. And so a lot of teachers have been trained in the partners in play to teach and to deliver their teaching through learning.
And wachi waka edika ho se o maso yen ani sode hono ba ko pan ne se aban sukus ahodo wo my Ghana mu no o mbetimi atoto nyema yi amane tumpon na ya akono na enu abo ma abaten ani ache ho se ne se o mode o mma be kwa nkurankura sukuu mu.
The determination of Dr. Osarichum, the Minister of Education, and as it resonates with all of us at Ministry of Education, is to transform our public education system, to make it so attractive and to increase the quality such that many parents would rather choose to bring their wards to public schools than to take them to private schools.
World Vision Ghana and the Ministry of Sanitation and Water Resources akawo ho abomu a womo ehwama ahunidia mapa koso ewe yempotemu nene womo de fa sukufo no eso na wono madi sa adwuma second annual children sanitation fair wono mo adia botaye ni nyina ne se schools no ebenya ambassadors a wombebo dawro afa ahunidie ehu.
Empowering children for a better future is everyone's responsibility. World Vision is doing this through community development programs to tackle the root causes of children's vulnerability, such as poverty and poor environmental sanitation and hygiene.
Technical specialist ya oda World Vision ano ya ata ahi enso ekyerɛkyerɛ usukuu ni a odi nkunim ɛwɔ quiz dwumadie no mu no dwumadi a osese wodi ɛne de keka ho.
The objectives are setting man no ebam edi kan no yehu se Ghana mofra no enya awareness kese se o se wode wo ho hye ahonidie ho nsɛm mu enti second edition no ba bia kro bia nketo anyina wo se na obi twiro ese aba eno kyerɛ nse akwa akyiri na eto so nso no se wo hwɛ semi finals na ene emofra no se na musi demonstrate knowledge and understanding of sanitation e kyerɛ nse dwumadie no agi nhini
le krakra mu na adwoa jako a apia kubi ya ono eni sukuu ni a ngunimdi ekoma no ewo school sanitation solution challenge dwumadie no mu no so edi to dwa se obedu betumi bia se dwumadie odi ahye na nsa no obehwede ni pepepe ameso abanfa so
ada odemenyi ma mepede me yen de mekre Ghana for mens ma wo betu won regu wo kwan pado na wa agbo ma ya ma Ghana aye omana nimu ye nimu to wo wiase